Let's create. Lamb chop in Fricase, or in Spanish, Chuletas de Cordero en Fricassee. Make sure you have your drinking wine ready, because this is exactly how you're going to cook at a cooking process. Very easy, but very delicious. If you're boring, don't try it. So I had the lamb chops in a mixing container. I keep it simple, just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Not a lot, just a little bit. I like to add some salt. And some garlic powder. Garlic powder, no garlic salt. I go generous. And I mix it up. So I have a pan here. Going to add extra virgin olive oil. And I'm preheating this at medium high. Almost high. Let's preheat it a little bit. Going to start adding the chops. And I'm going to give them some character. Some character. Going to cook both sides, okay? But you don't want them to fry them, or you don't want them well done. Cook them to maybe medium rare or rare, okay? Just giving them some nice color, that's all. Turn it around and do the same on the other side. I have about a cup of drinking red wine. Let me lower this to medium low. And I'm mixing that with the fat, the wine with the fat. But at the same time, I'm going to get some of the alcohol evaporated, okay? It's about 3 or 4 minutes later. I'm going to put it aside, okay? Medium high. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. It looks like I'm putting a lot, but I'm not. I'm just putting a little bit. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to start sauteing the mushroom and the onions, okay? So I have about maybe a quarter of an onion, maybe half, depending on the size. Chop, one yellow onion. Mushroom, the good stuff. Huh? Some people don't like mushroom, so don't add it. If you don't want mushroom, don't put mushroom. Mix things up. Saute. Garlic. About 5, 6, maybe 7 teeth. Make sure you chop them nicely. I like to add some dry oregano. About maybe a tablespoon. Get those aromatic, that taste. I had a tomato that I grated. Going to add it now. And I have some smoked paprika. I'm going to add it too. Mix, huh? Then I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You mix things up, sweeten this baby. Red bell pepper. So mixing, getting flavors. Pinch of salt for now. Pinch or 2 of salt. Sea salt. 2 or 3 carrots chopped. When I'm doing that, I'm mixing all these flavors together, okay? Now it comes the chops, right? The chops. And you want to mix all this stuff well together with the flavors. You know what I mean? Move some of the stuff from the bottom to the top. Ooh, smells delicious. Smells delicious. Get that baby rolling. Beef stock. Beef stock. I said I put about 2 cups from now. And I'm going to let this go for a couple minutes, okay? Just for a couple minutes. I want the thing to start simmering somehow, okay? Simmering, let me lower the heat to medium, maybe notch above medium. Time to add the wine with the little fat that I have here, right? That wine, huh? Some Fricassee, see the nice color? Then I have some rosemary, which I'm going to add right now, because I want to cook this rosemary too. Get those aromatics flowing throughout the meal, okay? And then I'm going to cover, actually before I cover, let me give it a taste. Let me put a little bit more salt. Nice and sweet. Some salt. And now we're going to cover it, okay? And I'm going to let it cook. About 20 minutes later, ooh, look at this beauty. Oh yeah. And the way you know it's done, you test the carrots, okay? I said they're about 5 minutes away. Last 5 minutes, some parsley. Cover this baby again. Medium heat, let it go for 5 minutes, okay? 5 more minutes. For a total of 25 minutes. 5 minutes later, look at this beauty. Oh yeah, it's ready. And fricassee. Lamb chops and fricassee.